Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erika. Today is gonna be a very wonderful day because I'm going to share with you the stuffs I receive as support of my family in this YouTube career. So as a new YouTuber, I am very excited to unbox things, stuffs, materials coming from different brands. And I'm so excited to receive new vlogging equipment. So please keep on watching. Before we start, share ko lang itong letter na nabili ko. It's only 36 pesos from Pandayan Bookshop. At the top of it is actually a flower. So, ayan. It's actually from Pepe and Pilar. You can also buy it from Pandayan Bookshop. Also, about 36 or 39 pesos. Okay, under it is Oppo F7 128GB. This costs 21,990. Ang freebies niya ay lazy pad at saka ito, mini speaker. Under it is actually Huawei Y6 Pro 2019. This is 3GB of RAM and 32 internal storage. 32GB internal storage. So, yan yung iririgalo ko sa ko kasi mahilig siyang maglaro para hindi niya na hinihiram yung phone ko. Beside this is actually Boya microphone, BY-MM1 Universal Cardioid microphone. This is one of the best microphones for vlogging, especially kung mahangin, so meron siyang cat fur. Then, beside it, it's the Yonteng tripod. So, ayan. By the way, the Boya microphone costs 1,699 pesos. All in all, including its delivery, is 1,981 pesos. At the back of it is a ring light from Quiapo. So, I received this as a gift. It cost 4,300 pesos. Plus the ball head, I think it's about 600 something, 680 pesos. This Yonteng tripod, I bought it from SM Mega Mall. There in Cabanatuan. It's only 250 pesos. Then, this one is actually the new Wellington watch. So, I buy it from Shopee. Then, these stuffs are actually watches. So, this one is silver. This one is anong tawag dun? Sige, let me show you. It's actually two-tone watches, gold and silver. On top of it is, it's not pure silver. The bracelet is sky blue. So, the first one is for formal, this one is for formal, and this one is for casual, for ordinary day. Then, at the back of it is actually a Lenovo laptop. So, this is actually Intel Core i3, 1TB. So, there. This one is actually a gift from my practice teacher. It's Gucci. It's a wallet. Then, I also bought Unisilver necklace. Then, under it is actually the grapeseed extract. So, it's for health. Then, that seductive, the Victoria Star is a gift from my friend, co-teacher from New Zealand. Then I also bought collagen. Then I also bought power bank. So this power bank is 899 pesos. And this one, it's a water purifier that I'm going to unbox. So these are the stuffs that I'm going to unbox and I will show you later. So siguro I will just show you some. I will just open some for you. So this one. Ayan. So, it says, to my beautiful cooperating teacher, from your lovely practice teacher, Eileen Vanessa Lanzanida. Hi, Eileen! So, ito yung gift niya sa akin, Gucci. Ayan, this is a token of appreciation because I was her cooperating teacher. So, ayan siya. Yan po yung itsura niya. It's a very beautiful, elegant watch. Nilagyan ko na siya ng picture ko, actually. So, ayan. Ito, show ko lang din to. This Unisilver. Yan, so ganyan ang itsura niya. Yan. Okay. Ayan. So, already 8 o'clock in the morning. Past 8 in the morning. So, ayan siya. If you're wearing white or sky blue or black, it is very perfect. The other one is actually a silver, actually combination of gold and silver. I like this because of this. Yan. Hindi siya ganang makita. Wait lang. Ayun. Yan. Okay. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Malaki siya. Malaki siya. Try natin kuhanin. Ganito siya kalaki. Ayan. So, napakaaga ng oras. Alas 8 pa lang. Kasi papasok pa lang ako sa work. So, ganyan siya kalaki. And I really appreciate this. So, ayan. So, yan lang yung mga i-unbox ko later. So, I hope you like this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the subscribe button down below. Also, click the notification bell so that you will get notified every time I upload a video. See you on my next vlog. It's Erika. Bye! So that's all for today. Hope you like this video and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. See you in my next vlog. Bye!